Ever wondered how your smartphone gets smarter every day? Dive into the fascinating world of machine learning and find out. Imagine a world where your devices anticipate your needs, learning and evolving with every interaction. Welcome to the realm of machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and make decisions without explicit programming. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make predictions based on the information it processes. There are three primary types of machine learning. First, supervised learning. In supervised learning, algorithms are trained on labeled data. For example, email services use supervised learning to filter spam by learning from examples of spam and non-spam emails. Second, unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data, identifying hidden patterns or groupings. Businesses use this to segment customers based on purchasing behavior, tailoring marketing strategies accordingly. Third, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning involves algorithms learning to make decisions through trial and error. Self-driving cars, for instance, use this approach to navigate roads safely by learning from their environment. Machines learn through a process involving data collection, training models, and evaluation. Data collection involves gathering relevant data, which significantly impacts the learning process. Training models entails algorithms analyzing this data to identify patterns. For example, recognizing handwritten digits involves analyzing numerous samples to understand variations. Evaluation tests models with new data to assess their accuracy, ensuring they can make reliable predictions on unseen information. Machine learning is transforming various sectors. In healthcare, it assists in diagnostics by analyzing medical images to detect anomalies early. In finance, it enhances fraud detection by monitoring transaction patterns and flagging unusual activities. In entertainment, it powers recommendation systems that suggest content aligned with your preferences. To dive into machine learning, consider exploring these tools and resources. Programming languages like Python are widely used due to their simplicity and extensive libraries. Libraries and frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch facilitate building and deploying machine learning models. Learning platforms offer structured learning paths for enthusiasts at all levels. As we advance, it's crucial to address ethical aspects. Bias in data requires ensuring diverse and representative datasets to prevent biased outcomes. Privacy concerns involve handling personal data responsibly to protect individual privacy. Machine learning is an integral part of our daily lives, driving innovation across industries. By understanding its fundamentals, you're better equipped to appreciate and engage with the technologies shaping our future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the AI Voyage for more insights into the world of artificial intelligence.